Hi people, today I'm delighted at reaching 10 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So to mark that, I am going to do a basic video of unboxing my microwave. I've had my old microwave here for a while, and because I like the idea of having the green theme, I'm going to have a green microwave. Now, I might end up having too many greens, but I'll look out for that. The theme is green. So here is the microwave, and I'm going to unbox it with you now. So this is a microwave that I got from Lidl. They had a few that were various colors, but of course I went for the green because my theme is green. So here we go, let's unbox together. I better not cut myself. Oh, it's light green. You can cut. Looks fancy. I'm not sure if it's any smaller than my own one. Looks smaller, maybe not. There it is. Catalog. Any more plastics? That's all the plastics, I think. Down to the back. Don't need that. Now, so I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to replace it. And it's not just a case of replacing for the sake of replacing. It's really done its time. There's so much damage at the back, at the top of it, so I don't even think it's safe for food anymore. I am frugal, so I wouldn't be replacing for the sake of replacing. Just it was an opportunity to get a green one. I can clean this. Time to put in the other one. Might be a little smaller than the other one, I'm not sure. There it is now. Now I've got to figure out these controls. There's heating up. There's vegetables, there's fish, meat, pasta, potatoes, pizza, soup, and the timer. Yeah, I'll figure it out with time. Now we'll finish off the celebrations with a toast. Cheers. Cheers to all you 10 subscribers. Thank you so much. And cheers to many, many, many more subscribers. Cheers.